By default, LocalSend saves all received files to your Downloads folder, but the good news is that you can easily change this to any folder you prefer on your computer. First, open LocalSend and then click on Settings in the sidebar or top menu. Next, scroll down until you find the Receive section. This area contains all the settings related to receiving files, such as Quick Save, Auto Finish, and the Require Pin feature. Under the Receive section, look for the option called Save to Folder and then click the button next to it. Now a file browser window will open. From here, navigate to the folder where you want LocalSend to store all incoming files. This can be your Documents folder, desktop, or even a completely custom folder that you've created specifically for transfers. Once you've selected the folder, simply click Select Folder to confirm your choice. From now on, every file you receive through LocalSend will automatically be saved to this new location instead of the default Downloads folder. If you ever want to change it again, just go back into Settings, scroll down to the Receive section, and repeat the same steps with a different folder. If this video helped you, make sure to check out the rest of my LocalSend tutorials for more useful tips, settings explanations, and troubleshooting guides.